most aircraft carriers are made out of heavy-duty steel, for a moment there was a very real chance that one would be built out of all things wood and ice. For context, in the early 1940s, German U-boats were doing a serious number on Allied shipping in the Atlantic, and so in order to combat it, an idea was tabled to create a giant floating, mobile, and unsinkable island made of ice. You see, due to the increased wartime usage, steel and aluminum, they were in short supply, so if feasible, ice was seen as a great alternative. The ship's inventor, Geoffrey Pike, envisioned a vessel that was over 1.6 kilometers long, with a solid hull made of ice, with the ship both having a landing platform on top and a central void to shelter aircraft below. Designed to be the largest machine ever built on land or water, its sheer size and ability to be repaired with water would make it effectively unsinkable. And in order to prevent it from melting, it would use a mixture of wood and ice that would become known as pykrete. The idea was that the wood would provide reinforcement and make up for deficiencies in pure ice, and would be able to be machined like wood and cast metal, and would also float better and melt more slowly than regular ice. However, despite all this, the ship would need to be insulated and require a massive system of onboard refrigeration to keep it from melting. Yet in spite of this major problem, Winston Churchill actually gave the go-ahead to discreetly create a 1-ton model. However, it soon became clear that this was a pretty bad idea, as while smaller models may have worked well, it was soon discovered that a full-scale vehicle would weigh as much as 2.2 million tons and would require as many as 26 electric motors to move and steer itself across the ocean. As a result, factors such as high cost in terms of material and price and eventual lack of need caused it to ultimately be shelved, although it would certainly be cool if a modern rendition were to be made.